Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ice cream drink. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for a delightful treat. You will need about 2 generous scoops of your preferred ice cream, perhaps vanilla or chocolate. Also, have 1 cup of cold milk ready. Whole milk often yields the creamiest result. Finally, select 1 to 2 tablespoons of a flavoring syrup, like chocolate or strawberry, to enhance your drink's taste. Now, let's move on to the blending process. Carefully add your 2 scoops of ice cream, the 1 cup of cold milk, and your chosen 1 to 2 tablespoons of syrup into the blender. Begin blending on a low setting to gently incorporate the ingredients. After about 15 seconds, gradually increase the speed to ensure everything becomes wonderfully smooth. Continue blending for approximately 30 to 60 seconds until no lumps remain. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for an amazing ice cream drink. If you prefer a thicker shake, start with slightly less than 1 cup of milk. For a colder, slightly firmer texture, you can add 3 or 4 small ice cubes before blending. Be careful not to overblend, as this can melt the ice cream too much, resulting in a watery drink. Taste it and adjust any flavors as needed. Your delicious ice cream drink is now ready to be served. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, you can top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream. A drizzle of extra chocolate or caramel syrup, or a sprinkle of colorful sprinkles adds visual appeal and flavor. Don't forget a fun straw and perhaps a cherry on top for the ultimate presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.